Bitcoin is right now breaking to the downside, and I know I just posted 1 hour ago, but Bitcoin is going absolutely crazy, and I predicted it on the exact dot. And this is an emergency, guys, because we can currently see how crazy Bitcoin is currently dumping. You can see right here, Bitcoin is going down like crazy, and it's actually starting to break down of this massive bear flag. And I kept telling you guys that this was a bear flag and that we were going to break to the downside. And exactly about 4 hours ago, I was making a huge video right here when we were closing this green candle right here. And I told you guys that we were probably going to dump in the next couple of days, and Bitcoin is doing exactly that within hours of my prediction. So yeah, this is really nice to see. Also, this symmetrical triangle is also now breaking to the downside. And of course, yesterday I told you all to go into a shorting position, as you guys can see, which was right here. I told you all to go short, and I hope you guys did, because then you're running in some crazy ass profits. We can just clearly see that we're breaking to the downside now. About 1 hour and 36 minutes left for this candle to close. But do know that if we close like this, then there's a really big chance that we are going to touch our target of around $28,400. So yeah, just wanted to make this emergency video, guys, because this is happening right now. And if you're in your short position, then make sure to stay in that position, because there's a really big chance that we're right now going to break all the way down to $28,400, of course, which is where our next area is. So if you don't have your short position open yet, if you didn't take my short yet, or you accidentally got stopped out, because we can clearly see that we came down to around 31,400, somewhere around that. Some people got stopped out, some people don't. But if you got stopped out, or you just don't have your position open yet, then you need to do two things right now. First thing, go to the first link in the description and sign up for a Bybit account using my link. You will get up to $30,000 in the post bonuses and 25% off fees. Secondly, what you want to do is you want to go over on the 1 hour chart right here, and what you want to do is you want to wait for a potential retest of $30,500. If we do something like this, then this is going to be a really good opportunity to also enter into a trade if you haven't shorted yet, because that is still going to be a massive downside potential to around 28,400. That's going to be a 7% move. So that's still, you're on time if you're going to short at 30,500. So yeah, I would recommend going for a short on that retest. Don't just FOMO short right now. Make sure to wait till the retest, or if you're already in a short, just stay in it, because currently there's nothing to worry about. We're just looking really bearish at the moment, breaking down of two massive patterns. So yeah, quickly want to show you guys that. That being said, I hope you could like this video, subscribe to my channel. This was an emergency video, that's why I'm filming it on my phone. But yeah, that being said, I hope I will see you in my next Bitcoin video.